Good morning, all of you. So today we are going to discuss about historical trends in deep learning. Okay, so here it is the first topic in introduction to deep learning. So the subject is deep learning. In the first topic is historical trends in deep learning. Okay, so we have to see how the evolution from okay, Genesis to nowadays. So here first one, early foundations. If you see the 1940 to 1960, so how the deep learning have been developed. So what is the main origin? McCulloch and Pitts 1943 proposed the first artificial neuron model, so that could perform logical operations. Here they are using the artificial neuron. With the help of that, so they are performing the logical operations. Okay, so how the logical operations to be performed with the help of artificial neuron. Okay, next one, Haben learning 1949. Okay, so Donald Hebb introduced the idea that neurons that fire together, write together, so forming the basis of learning neural networks. Okay, so basically they are trying to explain about the neural networks. What are the capabilities of the neural networks in the year 1949. So in the year 1958, perceptron, so they are focusing on perceptron. Frank Rosenbelt and developed the perceptron, an early single layer neural network capable for linear classification. They are focusing on linear classification. So we are taking in a deep learning as linear and the non-linear functions are the classification. So they are concentrating on a linear classification. So here limitation, so could not solve non-linear problems like exclusive or leading to skepticism about neural networks. So this is the topic in the neural networks. Okay, so what are the difficult problems? Couldn't able to solve. So by using this, okay, these are the limitations for perceptron. Next, go for the AI winter 1970s and 1980s. Neural networks lost popularly due to limited computational power and poor performance on complex tasks. Okay, so here they are trying to tell about the neural networks. Okay, so Marvin Minsky and Simon Peppert 1969, these are the scientist names, highlighted the perceptrons limitations in their book Perceptrons. So funding and research interest in AI are dropped significantly during this period. Okay, so next, go for the revival with multi-layer networks 1980s and the 1990s. Okay, so these are the main things. Okay, so what the neural network have been developed. Okay, back propagation algorithm. So this was invented in the year 1986. Jeffrey and Hinton, David Rumlehart and Ronald Williams introduced neural networks. So with background back propagation for multi-layer training. Okay, enhanced deep architectures to learn non-linear relationships. Okay, so introduction to Hopfield networks and Boltzmann's mechanism and the recurrent neural networks for memory-based tasks. So here, feature learning and the kernel methods. So here 1990s and the 2000s, they are introducing the the support vector mechanism SVMs. Okay. So next, deep learning. Breakthrough. So 2010 to 15, they are concentrating on GPU. So graphical processing units like CPU, central processing unit here. So graphical processing unit, computing like next to 2012. So here modern deep learning era 2015 and present, so they are introduced. So CNN, RNN, LSTM and GAN transformers becomes the dominant architectures. Transformers and the self-supervised learning and deep learning expand to healthcare, autonomous driving and the robotics and the finance. So here the current trends and the future directions, large scale, so multimodal models, so combining text, image and the audio. So these are the things, so nowadays they have been developed. So efficient AI, so focus on reducing energy use and model size. Okay, so these are the things they are using 10 ml and so quantization, so pruning, so explainable AI, XAI, so for better interpretability and the trust. So finally, we have to be understand what is the conclusion of so this. Okay, historical trends in deep learning. So deep learning evolved from simple neuron models to powerful. That means how these came from simple so neuron models to powerful. That means multi-layer. So large-scale neural architectures are capable of mimicking aspects of human intelligence. How the so human can think to complete work. Okay, so like that, so these neurons also, so this neural network will be taking the so challenge to complete the task. So continuous advantages in algorithms, data and hardware have made it the backbone of modern artificial intelligence. This is the so main so capability of the artificial so intelligence. Thank you.